Hey guys, do you remember how a few weeks ago I was complaining about the weight I had gained? Well, after the holidays, I started noticing my clothes were fitting tighter and I could tell that I had put on a bit. Well, about 2 weeks ago, I went to the doctor and I literally could not believe it. I gained 14 pounds in the last few months. I didn't realize that I had gained so much in such a short amount of time. I was devastated, especially because I had a family reunion to attend in a little over 2 weeks. Surely my family would notice that I had gained the weight and I didn't feel like explaining my chubbier than normal cheeks to my great aunt Esther. So I started looking online for rapid weight loss solutions, and I know what you're thinking because I thought the same thing. I have tried countless weight loss programs over the years, none of which have ever worked for me. I never really got the full value of my money from these programs, and I wasn't successful with them anyway. They were a total waste of my time and money. But after hours of searching through the countless websites, combing through all the gimmicky smoothies and diet pills, I came across a program that actually made sense. It's called the 2-Week Diet, created by the well-known weight loss coach Brian Flatt. His program claimed that I could lose the 14 pounds in just 2 weeks, which seemed almost too good to be true. But despite my past experiences, the 2-week diet really seemed like something I could get on board with. You get 4 separate handbooks detailing each element of rapid weight loss, including the amounts of certain foods that you need to eat every day based on your weight, how much you need to exercise, how much water you need to drink, and more. The program was straightforward, easy to follow, and didn't require me to buy in additional things like a $200 juicer in order to be successful. But the best part, I could lose 14 pounds of extra body fat in 2 weeks. Guys, that's just 2 weeks. And if all of that wasn't enough, they offer a 100% money back guarantee if for some reason you're unhappy with the program. I just couldn't say no to it. Today is my 14th day of the 2-week diet, and I'm happy to announce that I've lost a total of 16 pounds, 2 pounds more than what I had hoped for, and just in time for my family reunion this weekend. In the first week, I noticed a remarkable difference in my body, my energy level, and my confidence. The 2-week diet changed the game for me. Seriously, if you're looking to lose 5, 10, 15, or even 20 pounds in just 14 days, I can't recommend the 2-week diet enough. Do yourself a favor and go check it out already. I guarantee you'll love the results.